What's up, guys? It's a little windy out here. As I told everybody yesterday, I have 2 batteries to burn off. We charged them up to go take a flight at a friend's get-together picnic they had, except we never got an opportunity to fly. So I have 2 of these batteries to burn off, which gives me an opportunity to tell you what I think of the Bebop 2. We've had the Bebop 2 for a little over 8 months now, and I have to say, man, I am still thoroughly impressed by this. A lot of people say that this is a toy and they don't like the, the graininess that you get from the video and the little bit of fuzziness and all that. You guys, it's a $200, like it's $399. It's a $400 drone that is extremely capable, doesn't have to worry about having external cameras with gimbals that could have high failure possibilities when they crash, all of those things. This drone has a couple miles of range. It's got full ability to do autonomous missions with waypoints. Like, you can't ask for a better setup for the price. You can get these for what, $249 right now, refurbished. An FPV kit with goggles, sky controller, 2 and Parrot, and get a 23 minute flight time out of one of these things. These are such superb little packages. It's incredible what you get. So I'm going to take it out today. We're going to have a little fun. I'm going to put an overlay over the top of the video that I take today. I got 2 batteries to kill. We went ahead and came out to our local park, and we're going to have some fun. I'm going to tell you why I still love the Bebop 2. I'm going to show you why I still love the Bebop 2. I talk about the Bebop 1. I always talk about the Bebop 2. This was such a fantastic platform that I wish carried through. I wish they didn't discontinue it, but they did. So, there's still tons of parts, batteries available for it. There's tons of people that know about these. There's lots of mods you can do to them. Lots of fun stuff. So let's take the Bebop 2 out. I have the Sky Controller 1 with me with a massive antenna array. It's a little windy today. It's not as bright as I'd hoped it would be, but I think we'll still get a good flight in. So, see you guys out there. Bebop 2 is. The controller takes the same battery. So all I have to do is run this down to like 30%. I can change batteries, flip this right into the Sky Controller 1, take the fresh battery that maybe used 5% for the controller's use, and switch it right over into the back of the Bebop 2, and I'm ready to continue my journey. So I don't have to carry like extra batteries. You always have that one extra battery in the controller. Just make sure not to run the first battery down to completely zero, and you can still use it to fly a second time. Gangster.